Welcome to the beginning of your meal prep journey. We're going to start with daily and weekly time management. And in this process, you're going to learn to value and master your time. And as a result, you'll have more time, you'll have more money and mental energy during the week. In order to really get this concept, let me break it down for you. Small habitual choices compound into results after time, no matter what. I'll use the airplane analogy to help you really visualize this. If you're flying from LA to New York, but the pilot makes a 3% adjustment to the heading, you'll end up in Washington, D.C. See how just small shifts can lead to major improvements or declines over time? We'll start with knowing where you're at by documenting how you're spending your time and your energy. Energy management comes before time management. First, look at how often and where you spend your energy. Are you managing your physical body well? Are you eating well? How are you sleeping? How about a little bit of exercise? Are you getting enough? Now, identify your daily priorities that need to be accomplished. Next, identify any areas of improvement in your daily life. Are you spending 3 hours watching Netflix each evening? Think about what it would be like to have those additional 3 hours back into your day. Next, you want to set a benchmark and write a to-do list. And set time limits for your daily tasks in order to be more efficient with your time, and use a daily organizer to write out and block off your daily responsibilities into time chunks. Simply follow yourself around for a week and record how are you using your time. Keep your notifications turned off during your scheduled time blocks. Evaluate your day and acknowledge the things you do well, and don't forget to celebrate your success along the way. Decide on the days and times that you will do everything, including setting aside time for meal prepping, and then assign time for your shopping trips and your prep days accordingly. To recap, here are the time management tips to keep in mind. Start with energy management first. Know your priorities. Set a benchmark. Write a to-do list. Set time limits. Turn off notifications. Evaluate your day, and of course, meal prep. Remember that goals are good for setting direction and systems are best for making progress. Now, you're on your way.